Rhino. What do you want? What do you want? What is that? Rhino. That's right, Rhino has a horn. What's he? What do you want? The deer? You want the deer? Deer or the giraffe? You want the giraffe? Giraffe, yes, giraffe. Very nice. Who's the other one? Who's the little one? Who's this? Who's that? Deer. Deer. The baby deer?